Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. Today's video is dedicated to the entire medical fraternity all over the world. Doctors, nurses, paramedics who have served us during this pandemic. They not only risk their health but also their lives in serving and saving us. This video is a token of gratitude from my side to all of them. I'm making 5 bookmarks in the shape of doctor's quote, each different from the other, and putting a small thank you note inside. So let's get started. I'm taking a white A4 sheet to make a template. Take the folded side on top. So now we'll make a rectangle. The width will be 11 centimeters and the length will be 12 centimeters. Now we'll join the other two sides. Now mark 1 centimeter, which will become the neck, then 2 centimeters, which will become the shoulder, then 3 centimeters, which will become the neckline. Now mark 2 centimeters and then join with a curve so that it becomes the fall of the shoulder. Now 2 centimeters, which will become the sleeve. Now 1 centimeter, which will become the armhole, and again 1 centimeter at the bottom, which will become the curve of the coat. I have these sponge papers. I'll be using some of these for this project. When you draw the outline of the template, keep the folded side of the paper on top. I drew the outline on other 3 papers as well. Later I decided on making one more in white. Rub the pencil marks if any. Now I want to add 2 pockets here, and I've cut them 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter. To stick the pocket, I'm going to use double-sided tape so that it can be a little high up so I can put few things inside. Now I'll mark 1 centimeter on both sides of the waist and the bottom so that I can place the pockets in symmetry. Now I've pasted the pockets. For this one I've just put 1 at the top. Now I'm just taking a small strip and I'll put it here on top just so that I have little variation. Now taking 1 centimeter each from both sides of the shoulder down to the neck. Cut 2 strips. This is 1 centimeter by 6 centimeters. Now I'll cut it further to shape it. The difference between the actual neckline and the line that I have drawn will become the width of the collar. And for this one, I just want to give a little shape, different shape to the pocket. I've cut 2 triangles and I'll put it on the pocket to look like flaps. Now I've cut another piece and I want to turn this into a conventional doctor's coat. I just want to cut the neck part only on the front side. I want the neck to go a little deeper because I'll be adding a collar to this. I've placed a paper near the neckline to roughly draw the collar shape. Now I'll add two pockets here. I've just cut the edges and I'll use double-sided tape to stick, and I've cut another pocket which is a little smaller than this, which I'll add here up. Now I'm using white gel pen to give stitch marks. For the two white coats, I am using light grey pencil. Now I am going to use felt paper to cut a few accessories which the doctors use. I used the black felt paper and I have cut the stethoscope and I'll place it here. I'm using silicone glue to stick the felt paper cuttings. Drawing a line so that it looks like a pen cap. I've cut a small syringe so that it looks more interesting. Now I'm making an ID card for a pocket. This is a pocket watch which I'll place outside the pocket. Now I'm making a small nameplate and I've written Dr. Joy on it. I've added a little red cross also. This is a pencil with little eraser. For this nameplate, I used the same paper and I used double-sided tape. And I added real buttons on the center line. Link for all the items used for this video are mentioned in the description box below. This was my trial piece. So you can make the pocket with a double-sided tape, or you can just cut a piece of paper and stick. And if you don't want to cut any of this, you can just draw the stethoscope. You can write a note here if you wish. Since doctors can't do without books, they are going to love and cherish this all their lives. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope through this video I have inspired you to make a handcrafted gift for them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do like, share, subscribe. I'll come back with another interesting video. Until then, bye-bye, take care, and I love you all.